Is Zouk bag really worth it? Let's see. I bought this sling bag from Zouk and used it for a month to see how it performs. I ordered this OOO sling bag, which is called out of office sling bag. The design is called Nawabi Couture. It is an handicraft fabric, perfect for casual outings and brunches. This bag goes well with Indian as well as Western outfits. It adds that touch of Indianness to any outfit. This sling bag offers a full open zipper compartment. But don't worry, things will not fall out because of the side linings attached. The inside of the bag has two partitions and a zipper pocket in the center to securely carry your items and money. Moreover, the bag has a quick access zipper pocket at the back to quickly reach for essentials like mobile phone. It comes with an adjustable strap thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort. The quality of the lining is fantastic, guys. It is water resistant. This is such a spacious sling bag. There is so much space inside it. It fits my wallet, which is such a yeah, because in most of my sling bags that I own, my wallet does not fit into it. That is why I got this Zouk bag. A small notepad and a pen to write my video ideas and scripts. Pocket perfume and a Kama Ayurveda's rose water to fresh up on the go. Bluetooth earphones, a lipstick and a mini sunscreen for touch-ups. That's it, guys. I carry only essentials for the day and there is so much space left inside. It looks like a tiny bag, but you can literally carry a world in it. On the bag zipper, I have my mobile phone. The zipper quality is good. This is a proudly Indian brand and 100% beta approved sling bag, priced at Rs 1026. Watch the video till the end to get additional offers. Let me show you my office tote bag I bought last year from Zouk. It still looks new, isn't it? That's the quality of handicraft fabric. It has a laptop compartment. It holds my notebook, a book to read, and a planner. My wallet, water bottle, highlighter, Bluetooth earphones, pocket perfume and rose water, my favorite multi-purpose aloe vera gel, a compact and a brush, a pen of course. I carry this bag to cafe whenever I want to edit videos from a different location. This bag I have been using it for a year and still it looks new. That's the quality of Zouk bag. I am showing you this bag to let you know how this would look after a year after many usages. Zouk bags, you can use it for many years without any tear. I really like Zouk bags for the longevity. There's no peeling of the leather, zip still works fine, fabric looks great and everything looks intact. So I would definitely pay for Zouk bags. There's already offers running on the Zouk's website. Still you can get additional 10% off using my code. I only promote products that satisfies me. And I totally love this brand for its affordability and quality and mainly longevity. Do share this video with your friends and family so that it will be useful for them too. Like this video and subscribe for more Beauty Made Easy awesomeness. Until then, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye. Subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.